Okay, back on with the FN2 mods, and this is a clutch bypass valve delete. Now this one's made by HEL, it's braided, it's lovely, and hopefully this is going to help my little car, well, it's going to help me change gear, I'm hoping. We'll find out. But let's get this fitted. Jason is actually going to take his time so that I can make a video, aren't you, Jason?
Hello.
Yes, Jason.
Hello, my friend.
Yes, my friend.
Hello, my friend.
Yeah, so let's get this fitted and let's do a review.
Fuck you, bloody.
Point at what you're changing.
This line is down the back, down here.
Yes.
This one, see this flexi?
Yeah.
Because there's a bias valve onto this here.
Yeah.
You point your camera down the back. Right now, it goes further down like this.
Okay.
That valve there
Yes.
is getting bypassed.
Okay. What are we bypassing that for?
I don't know.
You don't know. I don't know. No, apparently.
It's a breakdown inside.
Yeah, apparently they do breakdown inside, so that's what's going to help. Hey Jay, show me how dirty
Your pies.
me pie is. Have a look inside the hole and tell me how dirty it is.
Have a look. Dirty green machine.
I really wouldn't have imagined it to be like grey paint. Why is it like grey paint, Jason?
Because there's moisture in it, Daniel.
Hmm.
There's moisture in your brake fluid.
Emulsification?
Yes.
Should that be it?
That is not very nice, my friend.
It's not very nice, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, that's vile. Let's get some clean stuff in that. Has that probably just been in there forever?
Forever and ever and ever.
Never-ending story.
That is not very nice, my friend.
It's not very nice, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, that's vile. Let's get some clean stuff in that. Has that probably just been in there forever?
Forever and ever and ever.
Never-ending story. That's me pot cleaned out. Thanks for cleaning me pot out, Jason.
No worries.
It's nice to have a clean pot, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like to have a clean pot. Notice me poly engine mount inserts are still looking sweet. I think they made quite a big difference, to be fair. I'm certainly happy with them. You can sort of see that that's on there, Jason. Just sort of make out by looking down there that she's on. That's a poor zoom. There we go. Yeah, okay, so that's in place. What's next? Bleed it up?
Yeah. Wow. What do you think to your clutch then, Dan?
That is loads better. It's not on the floor anymore.
Better biting point, yeah?
Yeah, it feels like there's proper pedal travel, which before it was right on the floor.
Yeah. Sweet, all good. Job done.
Life moves pretty fast.